Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to come and talk to you about one of my very favorite essential oils, and that is bergamot. Bergamot essential oil comes from the peel of the bitter orange, which is a hybrid between a sour orange and a lemon. So it is a citrus oil, but it also has the unique ability of not only being uplifting and invigorating as all citrus oils are, but also very calming and soothing. So in the world of emotional aromatherapy, bergamot can be really great for depression because when we're having feelings of anxiety or stress, this oil can help calm that, but also uplift us and pull us out of some of maybe our lower emotional feelings. This oil has so many amazing properties. It's an antibacterial, an anti-infectious, an anti-inflammatory, and an antispasmodic, which means it's great for the health of our skin, aiding in digestion. It can help with a cough, and it can also help with the inflammation. And supporting our immune system. So I wanted to really come to you today, though, to talk about how I use bergamot oil. So I am a pretty pensive person. My mind loves to chew on thoughts over and over again. So I have found that diffusing a few drops of bergamot at night has really quieted my mind and helped me sleep a little deeper and a little more rested. But the best effect that I have seen is that I have all but eliminated my habit of grinding my teeth. And I believe that this habit really came from being kind of pensive and like working out my thoughts at night. And since I've been diffusing bergamot and it has helped quiet my mind, it's helped me to stop grinding my teeth. So as a body worker, I see a lot of clients that come in that use this matrix of stress, working things out by grinding their teeth or clenching. And I have recommended this oil in this way to many people and have had a lot of success, a lot of feedback coming back that this oil diffused at night is really helping a more restful, quiet, less intense sleep. So that is really my favorite way to recommend this oil, but it does have so many other good uses. Like I mentioned before, the cough. So if you take a drop of bergamot, mix it with a little carry oil, rub it on the back right over the lung area, because of its antispasmodic properties, it will help reduce cough. Take a drop of it. It can be taken internally, so a drop in a glass of water can aid in digestion and historically had been used to eliminate parasites. So it can be really cleansing and purifying to the digestive tract. It also has just a wonderful smell. It smells very orangey and citrusy, so really great to diffuse during the day too, just for a little bit of uplifting and a little bit of calming. So great oil to diffuse at work. If you have a high stress job, it'll help keep you motivated, but also help you stay a little bit relaxed. So please feel free to post any questions. Join us on our Facebook page, Essentially Elevated, and let us know if you have any questions about bergamot or any other essential oils. I hope you guys have a great day.